here we are. What I'm gonna do as far as my VG PG mix, I'm gonna make it really thick VG because I generally will use a Genesis atomizer when I'm at home, and so I'm gonna do like one that's like a 60-40. I'm gonna do another one that's like a 90%, and then I'm gonna do another one that's probably a 50-50. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. I like these big mouth bottles because I can use a blunt tip syringe, which is right here, and I can fill up my Genesis atomizer. I can fill up pretty much everything with this. Say I've got 4 things I need to fill up at the same time. Just pop a bunch of juice in here and I got one item that I just use to fill. Those squeeze dripper bottles are handy sometimes, but not for everything. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and do the PG, VG, and all 3 of these. It's easier, say if you like 50-50 only, then it's easier just to do it all at once. You just remember the number and just pop it in there, pop it in there, pop it in there, and then get the other one and do the same thing. Alright, so it goes pretty fast, but with this one, since I'm doing so many different ratios, it's going to take a little bit longer to do the math in my head. So what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to do 15 of the VG on this one, and then 4.8. Actually, I should do more if I want 90%. See, it's ever changing in my mind. This is a 10 ml syringe, by the way. You can buy these anywhere. This one in particular, I got at Walgreens, but I go to the farm stores, and I've gotten up to 60 milliliter syringes. So. Okay, so that will be 18. Don't want to go that high. We'll go 6.8. So that'll leave me 3 mils of PG, and then the flavoring, which is also PG. Okay, so there's that one. Alright, and then, well, I better just do this one at a time for right now. Like I said, if they were all the same, you can get away with doing it otherwise. Okay, so I've got to go 3 mils. Hope that's right. I'm really tired. I get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, even if it's not my day to work. Like, I get one day off a week, but I still get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, even on my day off. So just right now it's 7 o'clock at night. I'm tired. So now we'll go to the next one, and like I said, I'm just going to be guessing a lot of this. So I'll go with 6 mils of the PG on this one. I want to do, see how, that's my habit, is doing it all together. So this will be 16 in the second one. It might seem like a daunting thing, but once you do it one time, I mean, that's all you need. So there's 16. So 3.8 is what I need now. And the needle's got, or excuse me, the syringe has got all these little hash marks. So it goes up by 2/10 of an increment. So that's not too bad. Okay, the next one is going to be kind of like a 50-50. So I'm going to go 13 of the VG. Actually, yeah, 13. 13.8. And then 6. I got a little buzz going and I'm tired, so see, that's the problem. That's the exact same amount as I put in that one. Whatever. But as you can see, it's just do it however you want. Just going to be doing the most important parts right here. This is a 4.2 milliliters of this nicotine. So I'm going to go 8.4 and I'm going to pop this in 2 at the same time. And I'm going to load 4.2 again. So see if I can stop it at 4.2. Right about there. Perfect. 4.2. And then another 4.2 for the third one. Okay, so this is the toxic part where I put the nicotine in there. So now what I do is I'm going to put the lid on this nicotine. I'm going to put it back in the refrigerator where I store it. Do your own research, figure out where you want to store your own. You can wear gloves if you want to. This stuff has never killed me and I've never wore gloves, so you know, do it as however you want. But I'm going to rinse this syringe off, rinse my hands off, and then I'm going to put those 3 bottles away and we'll mess around with some flavors.